What's up everyone, welcome to Get Hands Dirty, and today we're gonna have a challenge. So there's this new show on the US television called Making It with Nick Offerman and Amy Poehler, and there's this little segment called Smell That Wood. So I decided I wanted to try it out myself. Someone will pick up the wood for me and I will try to guess what it is by smell. This can be a cool challenge to make with other makers and woodworkers on YouTube, so I thought about passing it up to someone and that will continue. So stick around till the end of the video to see who's gonna be the next one. Let's get this party started.
No touching.
Give me the end grain. Oh my god, this is harder than I expected.
What is it?
It's Jatova. Give me the end grain again. It's yeah, I guess it's Jatova.
Okay, you can look now on the table. Is it what you're...
No! Oh my god! No! What? I need some sandpaper, please. This didn't count. We need to make it again.
Blah, 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 blah.
Yes. Can you sand it a little bit?
Where?
On the end grain.
I don't know how to do this. I'm not paid for this job.
I guess it's pine.
Look for yourself.
Oh, yes. Yes, it is.
And grain. Sand it. Not stirred.
It's mahogany. Yes! Yes. Next one. It's Tolla. It's Agba in English.
Okay, you can look at it.
Yes.
What is this?
I think it's oak, although it doesn't smell that much.
I don't know. Someone is disappointed.
I want 10. You should pick 4 more.
Okay, I'll pick 4 more.
Yeah, we'll have a 10-piece challenge. It's walnut.
I don't know what this is. Maybe it's not even wood.
Okay. I think it's wangy, maybe. I think it's wangy. It doesn't smell very good though. It reminds me of, how do you say, strum in English?
Manure.
Yeah. It smells like something, but I think it's a yellow wood that I've used before that I called it Mora, but I'm not sure if it's the right name, but it's yellow. It's the one that I used in the wavy table on the legs.
Should I sand it?
Yes, it doesn't smell like much. Oh, it smells like something.
It is something.
It seems pine or maybe plywood. I think it's pine.
Oh, it is?
Yes, it's Portuguese pine. This one is Nordic, that's why
okay.
it's super whitish. Last one. I don't know, maybe it's mahogany again. Maybe it's other piece. No, it's oak. Okay, it's finished. Are we finished? Okay, I don't know what to say, but I'm not a 10 on a 10, which is a bit frustrating, but it wasn't bad. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this challenge, and the next one is going to be Johnny Brooke from Crafted Workshop. Good luck! Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I'm making a super cool project, and the video should be coming soon. So stick around, and I'll catch you guys later.